Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Dunia Rangeli. Guys, in previous classes I've shown you this how to make seamless pattern, this unicorn style. You can see this. And I had shown you how to make this stripe pattern and how to make this stripe pattern horizontal as well as vertical. Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make diagonal stripe pattern in Illustrator. So let's get started. From here I'm opening a new document. I'm taking the size here 12 by 12 inches. Press OK, enter. I have this file right here. I'm switching towards line segment tool. Guys, I'm disabling this fill color and I'm taking the stroke. I'm going into the properties. I'm taking a bigger stroke, 40. Guys, I have taken the stroke size 40 and I'm making the line by pressing Alt and Shift button. See, I have this line right here, and by pressing on the right button I'm going here to transform, rotate. I'm setting the angle 45. Press OK. With the help of this move tool, I'm dragging this line on the corner. Guys, now I'm going into the object, transform and move. I'm setting my artboard size, which I have taken 12 by 12, and the angle I'm setting to 45. Make a copy. Guys, you can see this. I have this on the both sides. Now I'm selecting with the help of this move tool both of these shapes and going in the object, blend option and make. Guys, you can see this. I have this right here. I'm dragging this somehow down. Guys, now I want to expand this. I'm going into the object. First I'm selecting this, all the lines, and I'm going into the object, expand, and you should check here that all are tick. Hit OK. Again go into the object and expand, and you could see here fill. Hit OK. Now you can see you have this fill option and the stroke option is closed. Now simply make a rectangle. Guys, now I want to crop this to the center. With the help of this rectangle tool, I'm making a rectangle right here. I'm taking its size to 12 by 12, just like my artboard. Hit OK. Now with the help of this line, I'm aligning this to the center like this. Now with the help of this move tool, select both of these, and with the help of this pathfinder, simply click on this crop. You can see this is cropped. Guys, you can see our pattern has no background, so we have to give it a background first. So I'm taking here a fill color, this. Hit OK, and I'm making a rectangle. You can see I have the size 12 by 12. Hit OK. Just align it to the center by adjusting the alignment from here, and right click and arrange, bring to send backward. You can see here we have this. Guys, you can see I have this pattern right here. This is all for today. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz. See you in another video.